Hi friends, welcome to another new lecture of Era of Zoology. In this lecture, I will teach you homology. So if you are new to this channel, then subscribe this channel and also press on the bell icon. So let's start. So what is actually homology? Homology is the similarity between various organs of different organisms, and it is based on common embryonic origin or common ancestry. And now we will talk about the characteristic feature. So basically, homologous organs are those which have common origin and are built on the same fundamental pattern, but they perform different function and have different appearance. These organs are variously modified in adaptation to different function. Homology is found in every organ system from fishes to mammals. For example, a whale's or seal's front flippers, a bat's wing, a cat's paw, a horse's front leg, a human's hand, and even a bird's wing. Those superficially are dissimilar and adapted for quite different function. Nevertheless, are homologous structure. Each consists of same number of bones, muscle, nerves, and blood vessel arranged in same pattern, and their model of development is very similar. You can see in this picture that this is actually the front leg of horse, this is actually the hand of human, and this is actually the wing of bird, and this is actually the wing of bat. So they are having different function. It is clear to us that they are having different function, but they are form of the same bone, carpal, radius, humerus. So they are form of same bone, same compound, but they are having different function. This is what actually homology. Okay friend, and now we will talk about the different type of homology, the character of, the categories of homology. Basically, there are three type of homology present in sense of category. These categories are actually phylogenetic homology, sexual homology, and also serial homology. In case of phylogenetic homology is that existing between different species like pentadactyl limbs of air-breathing vertebrates. And if we talk about the sexual homology exists in between sexes of same species like testes of man and ovaries of woman. Okay friend, and now if we talk about the serial homology is that existing between organs of same individual occupying different levels of the body. Example is arm and leg of human and appendages of crustacea. Okay friend, so it was our today's lecture. I hope in this lecture the fact of homology clear to all of you. If you have any type of question, you can actually comment your question so that we will answer your question. And also if you want to take tuition from us like B.Sc, M.Sc, Zoology or Biotechnology courses, tuition, online or offline tuition, you can communicate with us. You will get our communication number in the description box. Thank you so much friend.